about to descend 312 steps.
Amazing. Magnificent.
What? One of nature's wonder right here.
Incredible.
In Oyi local government. Ogbunike.
Oh God.
I found a snake.
You found a snake?
Snake. Very small one. We It's a wonderful what God has made in the Ogbunike land.
Oh, you can see bats. Wow.
Yes. You know what God wants to do for you. You pray. But all needs to be fair. Yes. More bad, too much. So feel free.
Yeah, welcome to Ogbunike Cave, live and direct in Oyi local government, the cave city. It took a while to get here, but we're here. So this is
nature at its peak.
Yeah. Nature
at its peak. The beautiful sight to behold.
So we're about to descend the stairs. How many stairs there? 312. So we're about to descend 312 steps. This is the point of removing shoes and ifabuku.
Guy, I always say guy here. Yes, and you put trousers. Inside there.
Amazing.
Magnificent.
This is one of nature's wonder right
Incredible.
Here in Oyi local government. What? Ogbunike. Oh, here looks so scary, but life is scary itself, so we have to take this adventure. If you're looking for God, come to Ogbunike Cave. This place is a wonder, I must tell you. Look at the trees, like no trees below 30 feet here. They're so tall. I'm having fun already. I'm not inside the cave, but I'm having fun already.
So, does it have any potence, like any power? Maybe you have a
lot of power. That's why people are.
Does it have Abido shaker?
There are many trees inside the water. Yes.
You can see there are people that are doing sacrifice.
This water is natural.
Yeah.
Wow, just coming out from rock. We will call it Isimiri. This water can come from any river.
Okay.
From this spring water now,
Yeah.
it can go to River Niger, can go to, in fact, it forms so many rivers.
Yeah.
But it doesn't stop.
Okay.
From year to year, from month to month, from day to day, continue to come out.
The potency of the water. Most people come here for different purposes, for sacrifice, because they believe that when you sacrifice to this water, you will receive whatever you are looking for. Speaking prayer is the source of every man. We are here to pay homage, look at nature, as we speak, and I know he will hear me.
Say, where do you see the snail? Do you know what's called in Igbo?
No. Yes.
What? Ejuna. So we just met this beautiful family. We ran into them during our expedition, and you know, they're having the fun of their life. These kids, they will forever remember it. I found a snake. Very small one. Very small snake.
And you cannot buy two. What no, you can't buy two. Even if you see big snake. Wow.
Even if I put my hand in the mouth.
No, go and put your hand in the mouth. Put your hand in the mouth. Now come here. No boy.
Shout out to our sponsors, Main Trust Homes and Properties, #1 real estate agency in Nigeria. If you're looking to buy properties to save, they have the perfect land for you. If you want to buy and build, they have the perfect land for you. Whatever it is you want, Main Trust got you covered. So reach out to them. They're very experienced in what they do. Yeah. Wow. Oof. I saw a snake. I saw a snake. Oh my God. Oh my God, I saw a snake, boy. Now, Joel, you guys should give me a contract. I saw a snake, man. It's amazing right here. You know, I could just pack my bags, come here and stay for like, 3 months. Extreme monk mode, Man, I feel so happy. Let's go. Let's go. What's your name, sir?
It's a wonderful what God has made in the Ogbunike land. Snap everywhere. It's a life story. It's a life story. Make sure you snap everything. This is where the water comes from the rock. Yeah. You can write your name. These Odo people, Ndiocha, that's an about if I legacy for Feba. But my foreigners, yeah, for going to say, buy a for self and them Madugas. Yes. You can write your name. Obono guy name you can write. Obono, after the Malay, what I go? Onyaki Ajocha, the even at an Obama. What I go? Onyaki Anadocha. Onyaki Anadocha, dear them. Or confess, yeah? You have to confess and go and say no more. It might be about have negative something. Never more about teaching a mother or manganilo or anything more manga. Obuni, maybe if you come here, they can't do it. On your bonnet, for job, where they're being one. Every age, your manna. If you have Zulu, manna. Ale is really here. This
is a sanctuary.
You might remember, or touch you were back in also. A born one. A month was easy, is not your back. Hey, the remain inside the water.
Are we entering here?
Yes, we gotta enter inside.
Where does this place lead to?
Where we are going, you see where you lead to.
Yeah.
Take pictures, snap everywhere.
Omo. Omo, no mess.
My Father, this is wonderful. God is magnificent.
We were.
Oh, we can see bats. Wow.
Yeah.
Bats are flying all over.
Yes.
Living creatures here.
Yes.
God did a wonderful work here. Wow. Wow.
Oh, we were. Now come and take your eyes, see.
Beautiful, very beautiful.
Okay.
When you see where you stand up,
Yeah.
where you sit up.
Yeah.
So, it's not a small journey. It's a small journey.
This is God in action. Wow. This is God in action.
Wait, give me that.
This is God in action.
Ada ka na-akpọ gịnị? Palọsọ.
Palọsọ.
Palọsọ. Ife a na ụfọdụ na-akụgasị aja ebe a. Oh, prayers. You know what God wants to do for you. You pray. But ọ na-ezigbo ife. You cannot pray negative prayers here. You understand? If you do it, you cannot go. I can't more chineke the eba. More the bad, too much. So feel free, relax, take pictures. Because if you want to go away from me, I call people.
Is this leading us to anywhere?
Wait,
I got not.
Why? I am not here. Wait, let me show you something.
All this magnificent, all this wonderful.
Oh, wait, there, ever dining. Okay, ever dining. Dining.
Different color of rock.
Wow.
Yes, people came and
describe their names here. Oh, this is rock.
Yeah, this is wonderful. Yeah.
Oh God.
Wow. Oh, we will.
Tourist man.
So be coming.
The cave guide.
Yeah. Unu wela anyi unu kilia. Bolo mama fly papa bear. Bolo papa bear mama fly. Come.
Yeah, we are with you.
Let the spirit that lead you guide you.
That's more.
Yeah, we do.
Take pictures. Fear not. Take pictures. Here Chineke is come and see. Here in a passage. Yes. About a passage. What I go? No, our movement is not yet done. Let me just ease myself. Let me show you something.
Now, guy, how do you feel so far? You're going to thank me for this journey, you know, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Two bottles of Desperado on you.
I wouldn't mind. The experience I've gathered there today.
Wow.
Too much. Overwhelming. I'm astonished.
We're about to climb the mountain. Yes.
Hey, guy, can we come there?
You go to the desert before.
Did you put them for me?
Climbing the mountain.
Yes, we're climbing the mountain. Adekwa, Mr. Can school Python session.
Okay. No fear.
Yeah.
After climbing the mountain,
They say, fear not, and God is with you. Like everybody want. Just watch is your bad putter.
Omo.
You very putter now. You can't use the rest of your journey.
What an adventure.
Hey.
Yes.
Bro, how you feeling?
You're wonderful. Let me go see the baby.
Make sure you visit here while you're alive. This should be your priority list to visit Ogbunike Cave, especially if you're from the southeast, Anambra in particular. Make sure you visit here in your lifetime. Yes.
Obolo kekosi
Oh, they play. Yeah. So this is our tour guide.
Yes.
People
know me as Ekweyo.
The
young shall grow.
So we're about to enter the Python section. So tell us, what are we going to see there?
You see many things now. You got full cobra. You got full python. You got full Whatever, that is equal. Well, I about Christmas. What I go?
But no, I'm not.
My father and I phone.
When you are boku,
Yes, we are going. Hey, remember, you follow me. Just you were on the FIFA Chineke the weather. So let's go. Bolo, you can walk.
My mommy pray for me.
You're on a Python session. Okay. If we follow this way, it might come from Oyorisa. You know Oyorisa?
Yeah, that is you're saying.
That's it. Oyorisa market bus stop. You can see the tunnel.
Yeah.
If you from here now, you come back from the other center of Ogbunike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, town hall. Ogbunike.
So this tunnel will lead you there.
Yeah, this tunnel will lead you there, but you go past many different type of animals.
Wow.
Both level of water.
Wow.
There's more water boat will be like this. Now, this rock are better together, but if you had the world are expand. This is wonderful.
You mean river?
Yes, but upward for Keta, or the on, or the dry. Eba and Keta. You want to go? You want to one in see, one in issue equal.
So what is she pounding? Give me corner pound.
I don't short it, but if you reach close, you will see that it's a rock. Yes. No, I think I show you the other side. It's a very long time. We have never been
entering there.
Inside there. No, leave that woman where they pound something. You're not supposed to disturb her.
It is into plan. What I understand?
Yeah.
What they need to plan is into budget now. The next thing, the next time they got everywhere they go develop. Oh, in case we have found this Ogbunike Cave based on Igbo and Okwa. It's a very long story.
Yeah. Okay, so Ndocha na bieba.
Why Ndocha na bieba?
Yeah, but name is here bof.
Ndocha the see papa here.
Yeah. Yeah, but name is here bof. Oh, yeah, with ego. Oh, yeah, with employment.
A lot of money.
So what do you think is the reason men and government touch up the heat in Yanya?
If you know ya can go in all the into budget. Now. Yes, before you know it, very soon. What I go? Everywhere they develop. What I go? And when hotels, it's all hotels.
Yeah. Hotel around the cave.
Yes, hotel around the cave.
Yeah. Also the the water bodies. Really not now. Umu ifana asiokwa na ndị mmadụ achụ na aja ndị mmadụ ekpe na ekpere but umu ifana atụ egasi na mmiri ọ dị mma ọ ma na-emebi di mmiri
ọ ko emebi mmiri because na mmiri adigo before ndị a wee bịa so ọ bụrụ fọnwa ya achụpụ mmiri ma o mebie mmiri
so it's na aja
na-achụ enwe different religions wetago onye na nke ya
ihe na mmiri
ya ka na-ekwunu onye na nke ya like me I'm a Christian I cannot mpụta nwere ife te na mmiri like aja all those things but onye ọbụla marụ ụzọ esi ekpere ka ọ gara ya they can partake wetago so
but efere ga na-emebi the environment maka ndị na-afụ maka environment specialists na say putting things in the water body adịsịrọ mma waterproof mmanya na nwe because onwe ndụ na-ebi na mmiri ahụ onwe ndụ dịka ụmụ azụ so ka efilo onwe ka esi mee ka ya na-atụnye ife na mmiri enwe ike na-achị ajụ
otu esi eme ka ada na-atịzi ife na mmiri now ọ ka dị local by eye looking understand but already developed with all those things ama na-achụzi this aja ama na-atịzi dịka if anything na mmiri like that ọ dị
enwe law and order
enwe law and order. Understand.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
Mr. Kweyo.
Yeah, Mr. Kweyo.
Ogbunike. Yeah, all the way from Nnewi.
All the way from Nnewi.
Yeah.
They are here to recommend.
Yeah.
Chọpụta ujiri anya fafukwu ife Chukwu mere ebe a.
Exactly.
You understand? So ka ha bịara ebe a ha ga-eji blessing wee nachi ya. Ife ọnwa ọbụla fa jiri ebe a ha ga-ejikwa wee nachi ya.
Ise.
Ife ọjọọ fa jiri ebe a ya eso kwafa wee na.
Ise.
Ife fa bịara ebe a bụ ọganiru ogologo ndụ na-arụ isi ike iticha gofa ịwụcha gofa anyị na-ekwu na onye tichala ọ bụrụ odogwu ebe ọ bụ na fejigoro ọkpafa wee bịa ebe enwe go and dominate go and dominate go and glorify just do your thing.
I'm on my way to inscribe my name on the wall. Yes. On the rock.
Come on.
On the rock. Exactly. Let's go do this. had the time of my life. I can't explain my feeling. I already inscribed my name. I've been walking barefoot around here. Like, I feel I've not gotten enough shots, but I have enough to tell this story. If you've not been here before, make it a priority on your list of places you have to visit while you're alive. I saw bats. I was almost on the journey to see the big python. I don't want to be tweeting from the belly of the python. But it's fun. Like if you're from the southeast, if you're from the Anambra, and you're looking for places to visit, you're looking for sites, seeing places like natural wonders, we have stuff like this around here.
On my way signing out of Ogbunike Cave, I will return. I will return eventually. One down. So tell me, where next do you want me to visit?